Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. So today we are back with another productivity tech app type of video because you guys know I love the apps, especially when it comes to helping you out with editing pictures and editing your thumbnails and all that fun stuff. And you know what's better than showing you guys how to do that? Only using one app. Yes, only using one app. So today we are going to go into the Bazaart app. I love this app. This is not sponsored. This is just me just telling you guys how much I love this freaking app because you can literally do anything in this app. The only thing that this app can't do is video, which is tragic. But I'll get over it because that's just how good this app is. So with that being said, let's just get to it. So first things first, we are going to start to screen record on our phone. And if you like my background, then by all means, once again, thank you. It looks a little different from when I did a video on it, but I did do a video on what my screen looks like. So if you guys want to go watch that, that's definitely going to be in the cards. So make sure you check that out for sure. So first thing, we're just going to drop down to the Bazaart app, and I already have something open. But if we go to what it's going to open up as, it's the templates, and you just have all these different templates that you can do. You can do a template for, oh wow, they put iOS 14 icons on here. Oh my gosh, you can make it any color that you want it to. Yeah. Oh, this is so easy. This is even easier than when I did my apps, when I did the iOS customization. So this is dope. This is so dope. And it also has logos. You can look at logos, and then you can also it has like templates for your Instagram story, for an Instagram post, just random templates that you can do for like each thing. You can also make PNGs in this app as well. So if you're not aware of PNGs, that's just going to be pretty much a transparent picture. So the first thing that you would do is you would save this, and it would be in your photos, obviously. So you could go back to start from scratch. Actually, no, you wouldn't. You would add the plus button and you go with start with photo, and it will just take you back to your photo to see what it will be. And now you have this. Now there's two ways that you can do this. So you can either just erase, but I don't like doing that because it never comes out the way that I want it to be. So I normally just click on the magic, which is magically going to cut, not magically, but it's just going to cut the image that you want out. So this is just going to be like a plain receipt now. It's just a plain receipt. That's what it is. So that is how you do PNGs. You can do it with multiple things. It's so easy. Let's see if I can do like a merge picture. So we're gonna start with a photo. We're gonna use this one, and we're just gonna move this over like this, and then we're just gonna go to photos, and then add this photo too. And I'm just gonna make that bigger and move that over. So we're like right here. We're gonna pull this one and make sure that fits. Okay, so now to make sure that these like merge together, we are just going to click on this picture right here because we want to get rid of this one. And we're just going to go to the eraser and we're going to make it a little bit smaller, but we're also going to make it a smart eraser too. So now we're just going to zoom in because we have to be very careful because our hand is right there. So we don't want to like erase our hand like that. If you see that checkered part right there, that means that we would just be getting rid of that picture. So we don't want to do that. Then it'll just start showing. So I guess we stop right there. And now it kind of looks like a seamless picture if you can see. Oops. And if you can see, there's like a little bit of like erased right there. We're just gonna go back with the eraser. Oops. And we're just gonna go to restore. That way it won't look like that. So now we're gonna hit done. And yeah, that is how you merge two pictures together in Bazaart. And that is super simple, super easy, and the easiest way I know how, because I've seen a lot of people do this before, but you use like 2 and 3 different apps, and you know, ain't nobody got time for that. So with that being said, you would just take this, save image, and then it automatically saves into your camera roll. Let me go back into that project. So I'm gonna go right here. If we go to size, we're gonna go to size, and this is where you're going to change what size the picture actually is. So it's, we have portrait, which is going to make it a little square like that, but that just totally messes it up. We have actual square, we have circle, landscape, custom size, so you can make it with whatever size that you want. But we have it for the Instagram story, we have it for your feed, a different one for your feed, which is portrait. This is landscape, so it's just going to be a little there. This is for Facebook. This is Snapchat. This is Twitter, Pinterest. And then we have a YouTube channel cover, which that's just going to be your border when you click on someone's channel, and then a thumbnail. So they already have the thumbnail. If you don't know what the ratio for the thumbnail is, it's going to be 1280 by 720, or it's going to be a 16:9 ratio. So, yeah, those are the ratios for thumbnails if you weren't aware. But with this app, you don't really need to know the ratios because it already kind of sets it up into how the thumbnail is supposed to look. Add some text to it. So this is Get Ready With Me. So let's go to fonts. They have a ton of fonts built into the app. There are like so many fonts that you can just go in and go wild. My personal favorite is Signature, and I think I use Fred. It doesn't look good like that, but like Albus, that's a good one. I really like the signatures, and then also the cities. Los Angeles, Manhattan, that one's always a good one. I think I used this one before. That one's really nice. So you would do that, and then you can change it to whatever color you want it to be. I like that color. And then you can also do, you can add shapes. So what I would do is kind of make that smaller, and then fill, probably make it like white or something, or maybe gray. And then take the opacity and bring it all the way down. And now the next thing that you would do is you would go to those 2 squares right there. And this is kind of like Photoshop. You can move the layers around however you like. So I'm just going to move the get ready with me on top so you'll be able to see it. I just don't like it. Maybe that's what it is. Here we go. Yeah. So that is how I do a thumbnail. Really quick, really simple, really easy. And yeah, and that's how I use the Bazaart app. I really, really like this app, you guys. The only downfall, 2 downfalls about this app. One, it is a subscription-based app. For you to get like the full potential of this app, you do have to pay for it. I believe it's like $8 a month, which isn't that much, but sweetie, we in a pandemic, so I don't blame you if you're just like, no. Second thing is that it doesn't do video. So if that turns you off a little bit and it's just like, well, it doesn't do video, so it doesn't do everything. I feel you, I understand. I don't really edit my video. I use my computer to edit videos, so I don't really have that issue. I just use this for like pictures and like Instagram and stuff like that. So that's all I really use it for. So that's why it's perfect for me. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, feel free to look at the playlist because I got a ton of videos like this and a ton more coming. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.